Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do task number 1 on the Dino project. So for task number 1, it states, on the 2020 sales worksheet in cells F2 to F12, use conditional formatting to apply yellow fill with dark yellow text to the cells that contains greater than this amount. So how you would do that is go over onto the name box, type in F2 to F12. On your styles ribbon, go over to conditional formatting. Go to highlight cells rules greater than. Type in the amount. And then right over here, you can change the color text. So yellow fill with dark yellow text. Click OK, and that is how you complete task number 1.